Welcome to CAU channel. Currently, some mining pools have already launched cross-chain mining for Kaspa. By mining Kaspa, you can obtain CAU tokens, somewhat similar to LTC's merged mining. No need to invest separate computing power to acquire CAU tokens. Most Kaspa mining machines now have already reached the shutdown price, but the two new machines released by IceRiver are still maintaining positive profitability. The first model is the KS7, with a computing power of 30 terahashes and a power consumption of 3,500 watts. The power consumption ratio is 116.7 joules per terahash. Focuses on being a low power consumption ratio air-cooled miner. Compared to the currently popular Bitmain KS5 Pro, its 150 joules per terahash power consumption is much lower. The second machine is the KS7 Lite, with a computing power of 4 terahashes, power consumption of 500 watts. This machine emphasizes quiet operation, suitable for home use. Compared to the previous generation KS2 Lite, the computing power has increased by 2.2 terahashes, but the power consumption remains unchanged. These two machines are currently dominating the market. As of now, these machines are ready for delivery. Regarding pricing, our CAU official website and Telegram group offer exclusive fan discount coupons. Join our CAU official Telegram group to get daily updates on the best prices and information for the machines. We will use the Goldshell KA BOX Pro to demonstrate how to mine Kaspa and CAU. After powering it on, there are two methods to access the Goldshell backend. First, visit the Goldshell official website. Click Support. Click Find Your Miner. A small yellow dot will appear here. Goldshell KA BOX Pro. This is machine's IP address. Click this small gear icon. It will redirect to the miner's backend. The second method to access the Goldshell backend. Enter your router's backend IP address. Search via the router's backend IP address. Try each address one by one in this interface. After entering the miner's backend, first click Unlock in the upper right corner. Enter the password. The default password is 123456789. Click Unlock. Once unlocked, proceed to configure the mining pool. Here, I will use F2Pool as an example. First, find the Kaspa option in the upper right corner. Then click Home in the middle. Scroll down. You will see the mining pool address. We just need to copy the pool address and paste it into our backend. Return to the Goldshell backend. Click Add. Paste the copied pool address. For the worker name, use the username associated with your F2Pool account. You can also add a name for this miner here. The password can be random. Then click Apply to add. Now, wait for the small shovel icon to turn green, indicating a successful connection to the pool. Mining pool setup is complete. Next, prepare two wallets. One for Kaspa, one for CAU, using Zeg platform as an example. Click Deposit. Then locate the CAU token here. This address is the one you need to copy to the mining pool backend. Return to the pool backend. Click Add CAU address. Paste your copied address here. If you have multiple accounts, select the desired account. Then enter your Google Authenticator code for the Kaspa address. Repeat the same steps. Return to the deposit interface. Then copy the Kaspa address and follow the same process. Ensure you bind your CAU wallet address, otherwise you will only receive Kaspa rewards and forfeit CAU rewards as if you voluntarily gave up these rewards. At this point, the setup is fully complete. Just wait for CAU and Kaspa rewards to accumulate. We tested this under the same pool fee rate. Though the rewards appear small, better than nothing. They can offset a tiny portion of electricity costs. That's all for today's video. If you have questions about CAU, Kaspa, or other token mining setups, leave your questions in the comments section. See you!